Open the glove box. Though this model did not have one, pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new AQ1102 filter with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the access panel. Though this model did not have one, clip the shelf back into the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.